Welcome to Dr. Kat's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you what to do with your lemons. Lemons are not just for lemonade. They're not just for salads. Lemons are one of the healthiest superfoods that you can have at your table. So when you have a batch of lemons, you can actually turn these lemons into a cream. You can turn them into a jam. And of course, you can make condensed lemonade where you keep in your refrigerator, and with a teaspoon, you can always have a drink ready. All right, power. And we're just gonna let this reduce until there's nothing left but the juice. And in that process, I'm gonna be mixing it up, and we're gonna see the magic happen. You have bioflavonoids. This is the part that you get to eat. It's wonderful for your skin. It's great for bruising. Vitamin C, high antioxidants to remove free radicals, helps with toxins, removal of toxins in the body. There's some reading around cancer and lemons. I like to use it on my face because it tightens the pores. At this point, this is lemonade. If I take the water out and I drink it, let me see. Hold on, watch it boil. Practice your mindfulness. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if I'm ready to put the honey in there. Oh my God. Yum, yum, yum. One thing that happens when you make it like this, and you put the seeds in there and the whole plant, there's a little bitter with the lemon, and the honey will help cut that, but bitters are so good for you. The bitter, the better. Okay, oh my goodness, I'm so excited, and I think I like it. I'm not gonna lose control because I really don't like it, but I love this. Woohoo! Sorry, they always told me when I was little that whenever I liked something and I was eating, I'd hum or sing. And I actually see that in my children. It's funny what we pass on down. All right, this is reducing. I'm really excited, and I cannot wait for the next phase. This is my favorite part, when we get really close down and dirty. Break these. I need to get my mashed potato smasher soon. Mash them down. Listen to that. Isn't that divine? Just imagine how concentrated it is, and what a great, great lemonade this is going to make when we remove the juice. What a detox for your body and for your liver. Wow. Wow. So this is the lemons. I put it in honey and I let it cook longer than I needed to. And so it kind of caramelized, which is quite unusual. I haven't had that experience. I recognize that I can actually use this to put in a cup of tea and add hot water and make myself a beautiful tea. But not only just to use it on my skin like I had planned, for lightening and brightening the skin like a mask, but and a jam. But instead of separating it out, I continue to go whole. And oh my goodness. It's sweet and sour, and it's got bitter to it because we put the skin in there. We used the whole lemon. So yeah, the bitter is good for you, if you can get over that. Otherwise, go ahead and use it on your face. Look at that. Yes. We'll jar that. So I did say that I would make a tea. I think I should show you how to do it. So I'm going to scoop out 1, 2. So then we take the hot water. You don't need to add anything in there because remember, this already has the concentrated lemons and the honey in it already. So you mix it.